Hello, guys. My name is Led. I'm from Say Games. Um, I would like to tell you and share with you a little bit general information about custom product pages and some successful cases of our company in this case. So a little bit about Say Games. We are top 10 publisher in the world. Last year we collected 4 billion installs total. And if you, for example, have some exciting games, you can come to us and we can do something with that. So what is custom product pages? Custom product page is like unique page which you can create and customize to be different to main page and use for any purpose. Today, I would tell you something how we use it and how you can increase your install rate by use it. Uh, so, no, as far as you know, there are the both stores make this feature. In App Store, you can create up to the 35 pages. In Google Play, you can create up to 50 pages. But if you Google Play partner as say games, for example, you can create in 100. One of the for me, for like as a manager, it's very important because this pages is not ranking in search results, and you can get organic traffic by using it. And another important feature is separate review, because if you, for example, not sure about complaint store guidelines, you can check your screenshots. For example, it could be a little bit adult or something like that by using custom product page. And if you get rejected, if you custom page get rejected, your entire app will not, and it's very, very convenient. So a little bit App Store custom product pages. Unfortunately, in App Store, you can customize your app by using only screenshot, promotional text, and app review. App review is store video, and that's it. After that, you get a link and you can use it in any purpose. Unlike App Store and Google Play, you have a huge opportunity to customize your page. You can actually do anything. You can change the app name, full description, screenshot, video, anything, like in main store listing. Um, so it's like that is our example of our game. After that, you get a link, and this link can be used in your advertising campaign. So, just for information, unfortunately, I can't tell you about our install rates of our campaign, but it's just examples. So, here's one of our games. It's a jazz story. When you have to choose some action for your characters. So we have free ads where it's very different ads, and these ads is send our users to our main page, and each ads has their own install rates. And as far as you can see, it's different install rates. But with custom product page, you can create the different pages which will be relevant to each advertising. And of course, in this case, your install rate could be increased. So here's example. One of our example. It's advertising of jazz. It's about revenge and cheating, and here's this advertising, and it was our default page, and we create a custom page. We just add 2 screenshots at the beginning, and that's it. That's all. It's all difference. So our install rates has been raised up to 20%. So another case, it's Comics Bob, our another game. Unfortunately, I don't know, but it's the video should be run, but I don't know why. So here's our default pages, and and here it's the custom product pages, which exactly the same. We just add 2 screenshots, and our install rate increased up to 11%. So you can use it for these pages for each source. For example, now it's available in Facebook, in Apple Search Ads, in AppLovin, in Iron Source, and it will be in Unity soon. You can ask your manager of Unity to get early access like we do. So that's it. Thank you for having me. If you'd like to connect with me, just my LinkedIn. Thank you.
Yeah, so let's put maybe the Slido because I'm expecting a lot of questions. Okay, we need to clean that. In this case, how using the custom product pages, like the last question, please. Yeah, using the custom product pages impacted the quality of the users acquired. Yeah, have you seen any differences in terms of retention or on engagement?
We haven't checked this information, but I haven't told you how we actually do that. We not exactly create only the custom page, but we also create the copy of default pages, and we send traffic to the both pages to compare the results. Because if you compare with your default pages, it not will be relevant information. Because you send your traffic to the main pages, and it's like not you not get any information about.
So in Google Play, you can create the custom search for the entire country. Why would you do it instead of just localized store listing?
My case, it's about how to increase your install rate from to optimize your advertising campaign. If you can do it like for any country, yeah, you can create pages and localize it for I don't know for example for Spain, for another country. In this case, it could be maybe your install rate maybe will be higher. So, so what's the question? Why we do not do that?
So it's like in like what is your like approach towards like acquiring the and actually doing the localization in terms of the pages? Yeah.
Yeah, no, as I've said before, it's a good opportunity. You can use it, but we unfortunately haven't used it yet.
Mm-hmm. And how do you select the converting screenshots? Like how do you choose that like the different assets for your tests?
We just make screenshots of our advertising. Or we can make screenshot from the Unity project if this gameplay in the game. For example, in my case, it's like mislead. It's like fake ads because it's not a gameplay actually of it's not the actual gameplay of our game. So we just make a screenshots of the video and put to the custom product page.
And do those fake ads work for you, like as the for like the quality of the users?
But it's not exactly the fake ads. It's like this. It's not. It's the same charters. It's the same. I don't know locations, but there's nothing to the gameplay like that. So, but yeah, it's work. If you have, for example, misleads, it's amazing opportunity to use custom product pages for each mislead you have.
And maybe like the last one, what was the advertising channel you were using to run those campaigns you presented with creatives? Like
Uh, I can't say that, sorry. But as you know, it's like it's all because you know we use Uplovin, we use Iron Source, we use Unity, we use Facebook. So every channel which supports the custom profile page.
Okay, and how long are usually running such tests?
It depends of how many users we get because we can wait for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks until we got at least 100 users.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much. Again, I encourage you to